Pyramids of Egypt are world famous. Let us build a prototype of a pyramid with paper. Draw a circle of any radius. Mark 5 arcs of equal length, slightly smaller than the radius. You will get 5 triangles. Crease 4 lines with pushpin. We will use scissor to cut the markings. Join the fifth triangle and the first triangle with glue and your pyramid is ready. Try different combinations with radius and length of the base. We will use folds to build pyramid with A4 paper. Mark each corner with number for easy reference and follow the fold sequence. You can also cut individual triangles from corrugated sheet and join pieces from inside to get this beautiful pyramid. Do try it at home. Thank you.